Yo people, welcome back to Ron's Tech Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to install the beta firmware for the XIM Matrix. This is version 2025-1030, so that's the 30th of October 2025. Let's go. The main reason I'm updating my XIM Matrix, I don't even play that much anymore, is that I have a P5General, and this adds support for the P5General. It also adds support for a few other devices, but that's the one I'm mainly focused on because I have one. If you have a P5General and you're having issues, what this user here, Sonic Spinner, suggested is that you change the cable that came with the XIM Matrix, get a better quality cable, get a different cable, just change it. He's using or she's using a USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't think that would be the issue. Just get a better quality cable. That might fix your issues with the light blinking. All the links will be in the description. I'm not going to go over every single thing here. You guys can go read it yourselves to see if this is something that you want. What I'm going to do is show you exactly how to install this onto your XIM Matrix from a Windows PC. I don't have a Mac device, so I won't be able to show that process. Step one would be go to the website link in the video description, scroll all the way down until you see download XIM Matrix firmware. You have the date. We have for PC on this one, and the one just underneath it is for Mac. So I'm going to go for the PC version here. I really do wish that they would release something like this for Debian, because I use that as my main operating system when not editing videos. But in any case, I'm going to click on download. I'm going to go ahead and click on download. My download starts and finishes. It's roughly 18.5 megabytes. I'm now going to go into my downloads folder. I'm going to double click on the file I just downloaded. So I'm going to double click on this. This is the window that comes up. The instructions for connecting are on there. So all you need to do is press that button on the XIM Matrix, hold it down, and while it's being held down, so keep holding it down and then plug your USB cable in. I'm going to show that process quickly just so everyone can follow my instructions. This is my XIM Matrix. I don't have a nice version like you probably do. I got this as a pre-release, so I don't have it in a nice case. I have a single button on the device. You also have a single button, so I'm going to press and hold that button down. So I'm going to press and hold it down, and I'm going to plug this into the USB-C port, and once you hear that Windows connection sound, you're good to go. There we go. It's flashing right there, so I'm going to put this down. I'm going to go back to my PC and set everything up. Now that my device is connected, the only thing I need to do on here is to click on update and wait for it to finish. It's telling me that I'm going to be updating to version 30.10.2025 from version 10.12.2024. So it's almost been a year since I've used this thing. So it's almost been a year since the last update. I'm going to click on next. I clicked on yes, flashing finished. I can now remove it from my PC. I'm going to click on OK. That closes. I can unplug it, and now I'm good to go. In my next video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the P5General and show how to set it up with the PS5. So stay tuned for that one.